Magic Fingers!
Hello everyone, it's Sofia. Today I'm drawing an electric car. Let's draw and paint together. It's so easy to draw a car like this. Please try to draw with me. Have you ever seen an electric car? Electric cars are more sustainable than the petrol cars. Look, the wheel is spinning. The car will be charging soon. I'm drawing the plug of this electric car. Now I'm drawing the electric car charging point. Look, the car is charging now. Finally, I'm drawing the wind turbine. I'm going to paint this car with beautiful colors.